Meaning of dump.
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 Dump. The word dump has several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it can refer to getting rid of something or discarding it, either physically or figuratively. It can also mean a place where trash or waste is deposited, such as a landfill or garbage dump. In the context of technology, dump often refers to a file containing data or information that has been extracted or copied from a system for analysis or troubleshooting purposes. The result of a dump is usually a collection of raw and unprocessed data, which must be further analyzed and interpreted to extract meaningful insights.